Hi everyone, my name is Brittany and I'm a Senior Product Manager with RIDGID Power Tools. I'm here to introduce you to the best line of brushless power tools RIDGID has ever launched. We've developed these tools through our extensive end-user research with our residential contractors as well as remodelers. Our first tool you see here today is our new brushless half-inch hammer drill. With over 800 inch-pounds of torque, this tool has plenty of power to get the job done. We've also focused on the superior ergonomics of this tool by designing it to be 35% more compact and 20% lighter weight. This is the absolute best performance from a size-to-weight ratio hammer drill RIDGID has ever created. We've also included the half-inch metal ratcheting chuck, as well as a metal gear case for superior durability on the job site. Our next tool that we have here is the new brushless 3-speed impact driver. This is the most powerful impact driver we've ever developed. This has over 2,300 inch-pounds of torque and is 20% faster speed of drive than the previous generation product. We've also focused on the superior ergonomics of this tool as well and designed it to be 10% more compact and 10% lighter weight. We've included the 3-speed selector on the back of the foot to offer more control on the job site when needed. Now, we all know that all remodeling jobs start with some sort of demolition. And to help you get through those tough cuts quicker, we've delivered the most powerful, the fastest reciprocating saw RIDGID has ever made to date, with over 20% faster cutting than the previous generation brushless product. We've also included superior ergonomics on this tool, as well as a premium feature set that includes the orbital action for quicker cuts, as well as the rafter hook for added convenience. Also here today, we have RIDGID's first dedicated multi-tool. This is the most ergonomic solution we've ever created for a multi-tool, and it is 15% more compact than the previous generation brushless product. This unit also includes a premium brushless motor, as well as superior ergonomics with the on-off switch, as well as the easily accessible variable speed dial. We've also included our new tool-free blade change for added convenience. Now, there are 3 things that I want you to take away from here today. These new brushless power tools are the most powerful, the most ergonomic, and the best performing power tools RIDGID has ever produced to date.
Some of my favorite features of the hammer drill is the adjustable clutch. The drill has plenty of power. We use it if we're mixing small batches of like mortar, if we're doing a little bit of tile or something like that. We've used the hammer function doing like tap cons and stuff. You've just got a couple of holes to drill to get some tap cons to mount the concrete or something like that. It's got plenty of power for any of that. So comparing it to some of the other hammer drills that we've used, does seem a little bit more durable than some of the other brands out there in the price range.
The new RIDGID 3-speed impact is a great tool to have for any tradesman. It's light, it's got plenty of power, and the best thing is it's the best bang for your buck.
I like the way the blade comes out. That right there makes it real easy. Pop the blade out, pop the blade in, let go of the clip. Having a rafter hook is nice. Yeah. It really is, because you can hook it up. If you're working up in an attic or a ceiling or something, you want to hook it on something, you can. But multi-tools can be a little too heavy. To me, this is not heavy at all. But the main thing about it is, again, is it's very little vibration. It's very solid and powerful. In my opinion, this is a very good multi-tool.